This is the easiest way to do a halo eye. Using a full coverage concealer as a sticky base. I always have a full product list in the description. You want to pack the eyeshadow on before blending for the most color, payoff, and pigment. Use a clean brush to soften the edges. Highlight the brow bone, deepening the colors back up so it's more vibrant. Now just repeat everything on the other eye. Blend the edges again. This eyeshadow has a pink color shift to it. Micellar water on a cotton round to clean up the fallout and sharpen the edges on the shadow. A sticky primer helps makeup stay on so much longer. Mixing shades because I'm in between shades right now. I've started doing thin layers of full coverage products. It makes your base makeup look smoother and less cakey. I mix the e.l.f. Halo Glow into my foundation for added glow. I bake the under eye where I crease, and my T-zone where I get oily. Press on a light amount of powder, then sweep off the extra powder where you baked. This is my favorite face palette. It's exclusively at Walmart and Makeup Revolution's website for $9. This blush is more of a glowy blush topper with a gold shift. I love this highlight for the 2016 blinding look. Topping my highlight with a pink shifty eyeshadow. Use the crease color to frame the bottom lash line and brow bone color to highlight the inner corner. Mist your face with setting spray to melt the powders into the skin. Using a brow wax to hold the hairs in place. I tightline to make the look a bit darker. This is my favorite mascara. It's not waterproof, but it doesn't transfer or flake at all. This is the perfect 90s mauve lip liner. Using a matte liquid lipstick that's complementary to the liner. Thanks for hanging out and watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe.